camera at me.
All right. All right, we're trying to figure out who gets more hits, me or Lindy Lou. I say it's me.
There's not much to figure out. We let the views speak for themselves.
So I don't know. I guess if you guys, because I'm gonna start not having her in any of these videos pretty soon, because I don't think that she's getting the hits.
I'm getting the hits, lady.
All right, so you're cleaning. This is Jim B's bike with the white walls. This is take 2. We did a video last week of it, but Stevie added on the foot pegs and risers. These are aluminum, polished aluminum risers. They hook on to where the rear crash bars go, shock, or the muffler mount. They look really nice. And these are original Guzzi foot pegs. You don't see many of those, so those are nice and sweet. All right, Jim's bike. We got
mirrors on here.
We got the mirrors on. Okay, and we got the decal on the front.
We got the decal on?
I guess you got it on.
Oh.
Looks like it's okay. Looks like it's straight.
Straight enough.
Okay. All right, Jim, so here you go. I think she's ready to ship. We've test ridden it. It's a beautiful bike. This used to be Richard Balley's bike out of Arizona. He moved to Morocco, of all places. Sold his bike to Jim last year. So, all right, here we go. Here's the other foot peg and siren. All right, there we go. I don't know what else to show on this bike, but it is a pretty bike. Let's see what the dash looks like. Yeah, we got the sticker on it, yeah. Only 1,000 miles on it. You got the mirrors on there, Jim. All right, she's ready to go. Is this thing ready, Stevie?
I think so.
All right. Okay. All right, there we go.
All right. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Jim, for letting us do your bike, buddy.